Let me show you how to design this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Now choose the Type tool, and let's write our text. This is the font that I'm using. You can find every font I used in the description below. Follow along these steps. Follow these settings. Let's center it vertically and horizontally. Go to Select, then choose All. Click this icon to align it to the center. Then go back to Select and choose Deselect. Choose the Type tool, select this text, and change its color to this green. When you finish, press OK. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Right-click here and choose Rasterize Layer. Now choose Single Column Marquee tool and make a selection. Press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T and stretch it like this. Choose the shoe layer. Repeat the same process. Make a selection. Press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T and stretch it like this. Hold Shift and choose these two layers. Right-click here and choose Merge Layers. Drag this layer under the shoe layer. Add a layer mask. Select the Gradient tool. Make sure it is black and white. And make a selection like this. Choose the Brush tool. Set the opacity to 100. Choose the soft round brush and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to black. Follow along these steps. Drag this layer under the text layer. Choose this layer. Click on this icon to create a new layer. Set the foreground color to black. Choose the Brush tool. Let's make a shadow under this shoe. Follow along these steps. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Duplicate this layer like this. Go ahead and drag it on top of the layers. Now create a new group and place this layer inside. Bring the flow down to 0%. Then head over to Layer Style, select Stroke, follow these settings and hit OK. Now choose the group. Add a layer mask to it. Choose the Brush tool. Follow this process. Reduce the fill. To hide the extra strokes on the text, hold Alt and click on the shoe layer to make a selection. Then choose any selection tool, right-click, and select Inverse. Click on the mask of the group. Now pick the Brush tool and hide the strokes outside the shoe. Follow along these steps. Go to Select and choose Deselect. For the final step, choose the Type tool and write your text. I've already added mine. I'll show you the font I used. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings. I have used the same green as before for this text. This is the font that I'm using. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.